I don't even consider myself pro-cannabis. I'm just pro-science. I really care about collecting objective data and putting that into the public domain. I've done clinical trials for years with big pharma, and it was really depressing to see the way pharma suppresses data that might make their drug look unfavorable, and that's why I'm proud to be part of a study where we guarantee that we are publishing all of the data, the good and the bad of cannabis will all be put in the public domain for everyone to scrutinize. I think that's the only right, ethical way of doing it. So we're going to be walking through the Cultivation site, and this is a place where, someday we'd like to buy a study drug from this environment, but unfortunately we're stuck purchasing cannabis from the federal government instead. So we're going to tour this facility and get a sense of how they make, real medicine for real patients, for the most sick and debilitated patients in our state. And then we'll come back here and talk to a patient who's already using. We've had a long struggle trying to get this study underway, and through this process we were actually terminated from the University of Arizona College of Medicine, where I was on faculty at the medical school for many years, and we were lucky to come in contact with Heliospectra. These folks were dedicated to science. They care about collecting objective data on how to improve the process of plant cultivation, not just in the cannabis arena, but across all agricultural sectors. I was really interested in the idea of cannabis as a medicine, but I really didn't know anything about the plant. I only knew how humans, how patients were telling me the plant was affecting them, but I knew nothing about plant biology or the plant life cycle. And so through my work with Heliospectra, I gained a deep and abiding appreciation for this plant, the complexity of the plant. Their lighting is really unique. It's a technology that's truly innovative. There are a lot of LED companies on the market, but I don't think any of them rise to this level where you have complete control of the light spectrum. So you can actually develop these kind of unique light recipes for each different phenotype. So for growers to be able to have that kind of control over the cultivation process is a whole new experience for them. They've never had that kind of mechanism before, and finally the technology is out there. So I think that Heliospectra is going to have a very bright future because they're basing their technology on science. They invest a lot of money into R&D to try to constantly improve what they're doing and fine-tune the software in order to make it even more compelling for growers. So I think they're on the right track, and I've been always very honored to partner with them.